So why are people so anti-grapeseed oil all of a sudden? I don't know if this is all of a sudden. I think it kind of depends on what corners of the internet you hang out in. The main argument used by the anti-vegetable oil crowd, which yes, I used to belong to, is that omega-6 polyunsaturated fats are inflammatory. And so in our whole diet, we want to balance omega-6s and omega-3s, and that's really hard to do if you're eating a lot of vegetable oil. Okay, that last nuanced part is typically not part of the messaging. These days, the fear-mongering is linoleic acid, the main omega-6 polyunsaturated fat in vegetable oils. So for a long time, the wellness community as a whole was anti-industrial seed oils, like canola or corn or soybean, but overall was fairly agnostic when it came to grapeseed oil and like nut and seed oils like walnut oil. So the arguments about industrial processing just don't hold. The idea is that they are high heat, so they oxidize the fats, but they're also done under high pressure, which means no oxygen. And lipid peroxidation is measured and part of the quality control for all of the oils that are on the store shelves. That means the dominant argument against vegetable oils is just that they're really high in linoleic acid. I'll do a whole video with citations and visuals soon. But the quick answer here is that while it makes sense from a mechanistic perspective, based on how we know omega-6s and omega-3s are metabolized by the cell, it doesn't hold up in clinical trials in the human body. Clinical trials show the more linoleic acid you consume, the higher the levels in your body, the lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. And it overall has a neutral impact on inflammation. So vegetable oils are good, grapeseed oil is good, nut and seed oil is all good. Olive oil is still king, or queen. But I think the anti-grapeseed just comes from cohesiveness of messaging. If your argument against canola oil is omega-6s, you have to apply the same argument to grapeseed oil. Good thing is you now know that that's false. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss my video that goes through all the science on vegetable oils, do the things and the other things to let me know.